Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful guide on how to change Google Chrome language back to English or any other language. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to bring up our Chrome. So by that, you need to tap here Chrome to search or open Google Chrome. Now once a best match would appear, please click on open to continue. Now the case is okay, when we click on Edit New Tab, okay, the language here is being set in Hangul in my case, is being set in Korean language. So basically, I won't be able to understand such since Korean language is not my first language, and I'm not a Korean. Unless you're a Korean, you would be able. I mean, you would be able to understand such if you're a Korean. However, if not, then we need to fix the problem. We need to change the Google Chrome back to English. Okay. So by that, we need to proceed at the upper right side of that where you can see there are three dots. Click on it. And the trick here is you need to look for the icon and not on the text since basically you won't be able to understand such as what I have said earlier. If you are not a Korean speaker, you won't be able to understand the text. Unless you're a Korean, you would be able to understand. So here, you need to scroll down and look for this gear icon, this one next to the question mark icon. Look for this and you need to tap on it because that is the settings actually. So you can see it here at the address bar, Chrome settings. Now once you are here at the Chrome settings, you need to proceed at the left side of it and look for an icon which is related to language. So I can see it here, a language sign or a language alphabet which is letter A, meaning that it is languaged. Okay? And if you locate your cursor here, you would be able to see here, okay, a text. At the left pane, you would be able to see a path there which is Chrome, settings, and language here. Okay? Here in the side. You would be able to see such the moment you've selected it. Okay? So tap on it and the moment you bring up the Chrome language, okay, you need to proceed with this option which is being highlighted into blue one. You need to click on it. And the moment you do that, you would be able to see a search bar here. You need to type for English. Once you have typed it, it will show you all of the language related to English. All you need to do is you need to select or identify the English language that you'd like to go with. In my case, I'll be selecting English UK. Once you're done, click on this one, which is being highlighted. Click on it to add it. Now, the case is there are a list of languages here being added, but the catch is you need to proceed with the next one. So, this number one is the Hangul language that you have set, and the second one is the language that you have recently added. In my case, it is the UK language. Okay? So, proceed with the second language that is next to your first language that is being set here currently in our Google Chrome language. Okay? Have you understand? Oh, so you need to proceed with the three dots there. Okay, and there is a box here, which means you need to check it. And the moment you've checked it, it will be placed here under the number one, and your Hangul language, in my case, is being set under number two. Now, the next thing that we need to do is we need to click on this option, which is being highlighted into blue one. Click on it. The moment you do that, you would be able to relaunch the language and you would be able to apply that in your Google Chrome language. So we need to check, okay? So let's just have to wait until our Google Chrome will be bring up again. So now it's here. Now we have just successfully set our English here in our Windows 11 Google Chrome. So that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. So hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.